How to connect Wix to Printify. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to connect your Wix sites over here. So let's say you created a store that you have in Wix and you want it to be a print-on-demand store. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Printify over here and you're going to check out over here on the top left you have this store section. Simply select this and you're going to click on add a new store. If you already have a store connected to your Printify, you can simply just select manage my stores over here. But anyway, let's select add a new store over here. And over here, as you can see, we have our different list of platforms that we could connect to. And over here at the end, you could see that we have Wix option over here. So simply select this and it will automatically connect to your Wix if you have your Wix login to your browser. And as you can see here, you can now simply select the website that you want to connect your Printify to. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.